Maybe you've seen LED screens used for conferences, videos, and advertising displays. But what is the effect of upgrading the LED screen? Unlike regular displays, when visitors can touch the LED or interact with the exhibits through creative installations, they change from passive recipients to active participants. For games, LED screens with appropriate sensors can be used to perform any type of error and touch operation on the screen. In the event, LED is no longer merely a playback device for displaying regular advertisements. Instead, it becomes a leading attraction tool with sensors and rich interactive content, allowing more people to actively participate in the advertising campaign. For art displays, interactive LEDs can bring artworks to life, allowing virtual digital art to collide with people in reality, resulting in a unique art form. So how can I upgrade my LED screen? Want to know how these types of projects can be realized? Contact us directly. Not only are there affordable mature products for sale, but we can also provide customized services for your creativity.